No, what the fuck? I fucking knew it. I knew it was gonna do that shit. Alright. It's acting janky. I don't know what's the deal. I don't even see the balls. Is your thing in?
No, they're fucking flying all over the place.
That curving like a motherfucker. It might be the barrel.
Might be the what?
That could be the barrel. I don't know. The ball size, just not tight in the barrel, you know.
Yeah. So you don't think it has to do with the air?
It might not have to do with the air at all. It seems like it's shooting alright. Just zigzagging.
Yeah.
If you have it too high up, it usually will chop them a lot. Are you getting a lot of chops?
I had one chop the whole time.
Yeah, it might be. It could be the air if it's chopping them a lot, too high up. I don't know. What do you guys want to do?
Well,
seems like a lot of these people look like they're going this way. If we're gonna do it, we gotta run to those motherfuckers quick. We're gonna go this way again. I'm gonna just keep going. I'm not, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to get as far as I can. So you wanna back us up?
Well, I mean, as long as they don't get to the swoon again like last time, you know, that's what happened.
Yeah.
We gotta try to get to that bunker all the way over there.
Yeah.
Hopefully Junior and I don't break down.
I'm gonna be moving quick in the beginning here, so try to keep up. I'm gonna try to find a nice spot. We'll probably be sitting there for a little bit.
I'm not worried about it. You guys go like that.
Yeah, we're gonna go beyond where we went last time.
I'll follow you guys right behind you. Good. Let's say metal paintball.
Even beyond that, but more along the fence line, because there's a couple bunkers down there.
Are you talking way over there?
Yeah, it's gonna actually curve around.
We're gonna try to get to a corner so we can't get flanked.
The faster we can get over there, the faster we can stop them from getting there.
Alright, man. I'll be over there in that quick piece.
As long as none of these fools get in my way.
Race to the corner, huh?
Yeah, but just don't go too far. If they beat us.
But make sure you run to something. Don't just run out in the open.
They're gonna
Find
go
a
there,
spot
but
and go to it.
They still gotta make their way up. So you got a little bit to like try to get a good spot.
That corner down there.
Yeah.
And they're gonna be moving. They're gonna be going there quick, so you gotta watch the crossfire.
Eventually we can. We gotta push up to that.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Hey, if you guys see them, somebody could advance, just yell advance, and we're gonna try to go that way. Sometimes people don't see that.
Good shit.
2, 3. We got like 5 people. We gotta charge that wall. We can charge that wall.
Go. He's hit. Let him out.
You guys know we gotta.
Heads up, we gotta get right in there.
Right here?
Careful, he's right there. Hey! I knew you were there, man. It was just a matter of time. I know. I was telling my buddy, I'm like, he's right there, dude. was about to peek and then I saw
Barrel
you.
was right here. I'm like, I ain't gonna shoot till I see a hopper or something.
Right, right.
Bottom of the hill, no good, man. I was pinned. Where were you guys? You guys were like, I was trying to keep up. I was way over there by the time you guys showed up.
We were on the freaking wall over there.
Yeah, I was like in the bottom corner shooting at that. I got that one guy and then I just wouldn't let him.
Yeah, I peeked in and shot him, but he had another guy. That's the guy who charged out on me.
And then I'm just sitting there, all of a sudden I see a couple pinballs just lobbing by me, and I just get smacked in the corner. And there's a guy sitting all the way up there.
Whoa, I'm hit, I'm hit. I just took another hit.
What's Jose doing some more?
He was right next to me. He's still there. He's on the wall. See him hugging the wall?
Oh, he's gone. He thinks he's a...
Look at him hugging the wall.
Oh no, he thinks we're like an elite squad of SS that we could just clear out any building. Like, Jose, these guys have like $1,000 guns that have like twice range on them.
I should go record him.
Or not.
Or I could just hang back and wait. Am I clean on paintballs on this side?
As clean as a paintballer could be.
Alright. Oops.
I only had one jam that time, and it unjammed right away.
Nice. I think maybe that lube you put in there helped.
Yeah.
Look at, he's still there.
Yeah.
Jose gets so lucky, dude. He like always finds a spot where he doesn't get picked off.
Yeah, but he doesn't, like, he's gonna be there.
He's very hesitant though, yeah.
He's not gonna shoot any paintballs. Like, he goes through, like, what, maybe 100 paintballs every time we go?
The guy got you and
Yeah.
two to the chest finish it on him.
Did it? Yeah. I knew he was there. I just didn't expect him to come around that like quick.
While you were in the video
I was
later.
shooting at him as he was running towards you, but I couldn't get him. Like, I
No.
was trying to pop at him, but it was like, you saw how
Yeah,
I was
your
shooting.
shots are just too they're too wild.
Yeah, I gotta be like 15 feet away.
Hate to say it, man, but this gun might if you work with the barrel or something, you know what I mean? The balls are probably not fitting in there right. You
Yeah.
get one of his freak barrels?
On top of the gun being janky, too.
Yeah. Shit happens, you know.
I had fun coming out. Just means we have to get up close.
I mean, if you're not happy right now, we could switch you over to the other one. And try that one out, you know.
You think it'll be any better? Was it A5?
Yeah. I can't say it's gonna be any better, but
Reflex trigger or anything?
no, I don't think I took it all off on that one too. Had that same problem yours was having. Actually, the parts I put on yours were from that one.
Maybe that's how much of it.
Cause on that, look at these guys. These what do they call it, the dual pistols? Kimbo, yeah. Jose is still there.
See, that's my point. That, you know, when you get those good spots, that you're doing moves and shit. So really, he's just keeping it.
Yeah, pretty much.
There's a guy right on the other side of those barrels right there. Well, he can't fucking move because we didn't take the center building. If you look at it like the front
flanks,
line,
you gotta
almost-
flank 'em, right?
Yeah, the front line, the middle of our side is weak, so that they have that bunker right there. They could have clear shots down at him. If he even, they probably just don't know he's there.
He's just lingering.
There's a guy right there.
Right there, you see him? You see him?
Do something.
Yeah, I think he knows it. You see, he got all like suspicious.
He's like all paranoid.
He doesn't know which way to look.
And then there's oh, You just see the guy right there.
Oh my god, dude, behind him.
Oh, this guy got him. Jose got so lucky. He has his back to him.
Oh, totally, you got so lucky.
Look at him, look at them. They're right next to each other. Oh, he stuck his hand through the window. Look at him, look at him.
He's just like wildly fired.
Oh, look, he got him, he got him. Lucky motherfucker. Dude, this guy stuck the pistol through the hole. That was a good idea. Although that's kind of blind fire though.
Yeah.
Sticking your hand through there like that.
What's he calling you? Where did you guys find this guy?
Fucking Jose.
I really want that guy's helmet.
Face shot. Oh yeah, right. The helmet is huge. I like it.
Someone's paintball gun sounds like a flat gun. It's like dun 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 dun.
Right?
Like you remember from Saving Private Ryan when they wheel it on?
Where is that coming from?
38!
Okay, we got a whole bunch of guys over here. They don't ever advance, man. I kind of.
That's not even a good vantage point spot.
It's not too nice over there.
Is it?
Doesn't it seem like they cleared out the right side a little bit? Didn't the right side used to just be a straight alley?
That's what I. No. The buildings are the same, but they put a lot more stuff in the middle here. Like that plane wasn't there before. Some of those crates weren't there.
That plane is probably no good at all.
Is he hit or is he still in? Oh, the game's over? Where's Jose?
That fort over there. Us four, if we get that fort
We've went that way a couple times. Not hard to get there, it's hard to take out the guys that are defending.
Yeah.
And if they got smart like we did, they're gonna
fighting up
they're gonna bum rush it like we did if they're smart.
But it's okay, I have a sniper.
Fucking Jose. That was an awesome little battle with the window. We were watching you.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
You're like wildly shooting.
I got
like 3 guys behind there in that house.
Shit, did I just hit you? I just lit one off, I thought I hit you. On accident.
Alright guys, let's go.
Oh shit! Hey! Hey! Go, go! Nobody's fucking paying attention. Hey. How we look over there? We got players over there? On that side of the building. One. I got crossfire from a building over there.
Is there anybody in this one right here?
Not that I've seen yet. We got it clear, he said. Push, push, push! Behind the van, behind the van! Get out of the way! He's hit! They're behind the crates further back. I'm pinned down. I need some help. I got a guy straight across. I can't get him. Where you at?
3 minutes.
Fuck! Hit. Nope.